this is so much easier if I'm doing a live Facebook video because then I don't feel like I'm talking to nobody. So I am using a ColourPop Precision Brow Pencil in color Cool Brown. Like this brow pencil because it's super precise and really thin. I just ordered like 6 more. Okay, I'm gonna use concealer as primer. I'm just gonna use some NARS. I blend it out here with a regular beauty blender. This is the Crown palette from Boxy. I have really oily skin, so you'll have to bear with me. This whole next section is just packing on color, a rusty color, and then I just lay it on thicker with some darker. I took a deeper color brown from this palette and added depth. Here I clean up under my eyebrow with concealer. Now it's time for eyeliner. I'll do a wing for a hooded eye. And here you go, pretty classic wing. So we're almost done with the look. We're just gonna clean it up a little bit. We're gonna make the concealer stop at the eyeliner line so it's a nice, clean, crisp edge. Incorporating this step will get you a really clean cut look that just takes it to the next level. And there you have it, just a simple basic rusty eye.